everyone, thanks for joining me on another Sketchbook Adventure day. I am going to be doing a sunset scene with a lot of beautiful colors blended together. And the reason I'm doing this color study is because I am actually going to be starting a big project of a sunset scene on the ocean with some cliffs. So I just wanted to play around with some colors and get them all right. Right now I'm mixing quinacridone magenta and some Hansen yellow just to create the different colors, the yellows, the reds, the oranges. Those are the two colors I'm using, and I use Liquid Original with them just so the paint dries a lot faster in my sketchbook, so I don't have to wait so long in between painting. I'm also mixing in, for this purple color, I'm using French Ultramarine Blue. And I'm just using a 3/4 inch flat brush to lay all this down. I know whenever you paint the ocean, it's always darker the further away you go. So I want to make sure that that horizon line gets darker than the rest of the ocean. And if you've been following along with my videos, you know that I just finished a rose. And right before that, I finished another painting that was all pretty much green and brown. It was full of grass and rocks. And I'm a colorful person. I love to see the world in color. So, wanted to mix it all up, and I just wanted color. I wanted to work with color. So that's the reason this sketchbook is so bright and colorful, and my painting that I'm doing is pretty bright and colorful as well. So I didn't want to just leave this ocean just bare. I loved all the colors, but I thought it was missing something. So I grabbed my liner brush and I just went straight into black. So it has a silhouette, and I'm making just a cute little sailboat. I don't know why, I really love boats. So I thought I'd add a cute little sailboat in this one. And I'm adding a little bit of teal from Gamblin's 1980 set to the middle, or the inside of the sails, to sort of make it look as if the sails were the blue and that they were thin, to where when the light hit it just right, you could sort of see through them. So I'm just blending it all out right now, because I don't want it too obvious. And if I picked up too much black, it just wiped it off. This is where the light is hitting off the boat. And this is just straight titanium white. And you obviously need shadows, reflection. Right now I'm just adding the ripples in the waves you're just using straight titanium white, and remember, the closer they are, the longer and thicker they are. The further back they go, the shorter and thinner they get. And of course, I have to add the 3 little birds from my daughter. She always asks me to put birds in my paintings. In a real painting, the ripples wouldn't all be white. You would go in with the caps of the ripples. You'd probably have a little bit of light reflecting off of them being white, but you would also have a dark shadow because the sun is so low. So right now I'm just mixing all the colors I used, and I should have put them aside while I was doing it, but of course I've totally forgot. So I'm remixing my colors that I used throughout the painting because this is a color study and I would like to remember all the colors that I used. And then I'm going to go in and write all the colors that I used next to them and how much I used of what went in. Write the brands next to my colors as well because I have a bunch of different brands of paints and each paint has different pigment, so one red could be a slightly different from the other red of a different brand. I hope you all enjoyed that quick little sketch and listening to me rant. If you did, make sure to hit that like button, share this with your friends, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that bell so you get notified every single time I upload a new video. Bye guys, see you in the next video.